नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नेहा करे कानाबार है और मैं संस्था की फ़ाउंडर हूँ जिसका नाम है यूनिमो यूनिवर्स मॉम्स। ये कम्युनिटी है जो 7 लाख मदर्स की कम्युनिटी है और आज जो आप ये इवेंट देख रहे हैं मदर्स के द्वारा और मदर्स के लिए किया गया है। और इस कम्युनिटी का जो ये इवेंट है ये 12th ईयर है हमारा। इस कम्युनिटी के इस इवेंट का नाम है यूनिमो रंगोली पावर वुमेन समिट एंड अवार्ड्स ईयर 2026। और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि 12वां साल है। इस साल के बाद हम लोग ये चाह रहे हैं और जैसे आपको पता है कि ये 12वां साल है तो हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि इस महीने हम विमेन को सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए नहीं बल्कि 31 दिन यानी मार्च में 31 डेज़ होते हैं तो वी सेलिब्रेट विमेन फॉर ऑल 31 डेज़ और वही हम यहाँ कर रहे हैं। तो आप देखेंगे 31 पावर अचीवर्स को यहाँ अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है। यहाँ पर आप बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटी और पावर विमेन को भी देखेंगे क्योंकि हमने पहली बार इस कम्युनिटी में 12 ऐसी औरतों को चुना है जो इंडिया में नंबर 1 काम कर रही है अपने एक्सपर्ट फील्ड में और वो लोग भी यहाँ पर आज हमारे साथ आने वाली है। तो इस कमरे में सिर्फ पावर ही नहीं, इस कमरे में बहुत सारी कहानियाँ भी होगी। तो पावर और स्टोरीज़ का एमैल्गमेशन है यूनिमो रंगोली समिट एंड अवार्ड्स 2026। ओके, सो आज के हमारे इवेंट में काफ़ी नामचीन लोग आ रहे हैं। मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी जिनको मैं बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ, जिनका नाम है स्वाति पोपटवात्स, डॉक्टर स्वाति पोपटवात्स, प्रीति राठी गुप्ता, जूही बब्बर, मानसी जोशी रॉय, शालिनी पासी, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे शिरकत कर रहे हैं जो अपनी अपनी फील्ड में बहुत अमेजिंग काम कर रहे हैं। एक्टर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे, जैसे एक्टर करण मेहरा यहाँ पे रहेंगे, हमारे जो ग्रेसिम मिस्टर इंडिया हैं राहुल जगतियानी, फातिमा अगरकर यहाँ पर आ रही हैं। तो काफ़ी नामचीन हस्तियाँ यहाँ पर आ रही है जो ना सिर्फ अवार्ड लेने आ रहे हैं लेकिन पैनल पे भी शिरकत करने आ रहे हैं ताकि वो अपनी स्टोरीज से हम सबको इंस्पायर कर सकें। जी, जैसे आपको पता होगा डॉक्टर मधु चोपड़ा, जिनको हम प्रियंका चोपड़ा की मदर के नाम से भी जानते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने अपने आप में एक बहुत अमेजिंग काम किया है कि वो खुद एक इतनी रिनाउंड डॉक्टर है। उन्होंने आर्मी को सर्व किया और आज अपना खुद का जो क्लिनिक चलाती हैं। हम डॉक्टर मधु चोपड़ा जैसे लोगों को यहाँ पर फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं जो डॉक्टरी की फील्ड में, मेडिकल की फील्ड में बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं। हीरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से यहाँ पर डॉक्टर्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं और हम क्योंकि पवई में है और हीरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल की बात नहीं करें ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, तो यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स को भी हम फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स आर नेक्स्ट टू गॉड। तो डॉक्टर्स की कैटेगरी से भी आप बहुत लोगों को देखेंगे, आप बॉलीवुड से बहुत लोगों को देखेंगे, मीडिया से देखेंगे। आप देखेंगे कि चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ यानी पूजा तपारिया मैम जो है उन्होंने चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ के लिए भारत में सबसे बड़े लेवल पर काम किया है, वो यहाँ पर आई हैं। डॉक्टर स्वाति पोपटवात्स जो है उन्होंने छोटे छोटे बच्चे यानी अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन के लिए काम किया है। तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग फील्ड से लोग एक साथ आ रहे हैं और इस कम्युनिटी के इवेंट में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने ब्रांड स्पॉन्सर्स को बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ और सबसे पहला जिनका नाम है वो है अथीना हॉस्पिटैलिटी। आप देख रहे हैं हम अभी अथीना बैंक्वेट्स में और अथीना हमारे पावर पार्टनर्स भी हैं। उसके साथ मेटा जिसने हमारी कम्युनिटी को फंड दिया है, उनके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और आप देख ही रहे होंगे सारे ब्रांड्स जैसे मॉम्स थेरेपी, आगरकर स्कूल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस, हीरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल, आप देख रहे हैं गुरमे जार, फ्रिया, यहाँ पर आप ये भी देख सकते हैं पेल्विट जो हमारी फोटोग्राफी पार्टनर है, द हेल्थ फैक्ट्री, फ्लेक्सी बीज, ऐसे सारे लोग, टाली। और सबसे बड़ा जो आपको बाहर सेटअप यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा ABD अलाइड ब्लेंडर्स एंड डिस्टिलर्स का है जो अपने अमेजिंग ब्रांड जोया और रंगीला लेकर आया है हमारे। ओके, तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हमारी कम्युनिटी वर्ल्ड की नंबर 1 कम्युनिटी, हम 7.5 लाख से ज़्यादा माइस में जुड़ चुके हैं और हम 12 साल से इस कार्य को कर रहे हैं। हम बस चाहते हैं कि मदर्स और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मदर्स इससे आके जुड़ें क्योंकि ये एक फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म है मम्स के लिए। हम उन्हें कोई चार्ज नहीं करते इसका मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो जितने मदर्स एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करेंगे हम और ब्यूटीफुल इकोनॉमी बिल्ड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज मदर्स क्रिएट द फाउंडेशन ऑफ अ नेशन, बिकॉज दे रेज द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। तो यही मेरा कहना है सबसे जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, come and join us in larger numbers and support this community. सो 12 साल हो गए इस अवार्ड को करते हुए। मुझे आज भी याद है पहले साल हमें तकरीबन कुछ 70 एप्लीकेशंस आई थी और आज हमें 500 से ऊपर एप्लीकेशंस आती है और अलग अलग देशों से, अभी कतार से आए हैं लोग, दिल्ली से आए, इंदौर से आए हैं, पुणे से आए हैं, ग्वालियर से आए हैं। तो इतने शहरों से आज एप्लीकेशंस आ रही हैं और आज भी हम उतने ही लोगों को सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं जिनको हम पहले साल से सिलेक्ट करते हैं। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर एक औरत जिसे लगता है कि वो बहुत अमेजिंग काम कर रही है अपनी स्पेस में लेकिन उन्हें स्पॉटलाइट नहीं मिला है, हम उन्हें इन्वाइट करना चाहते हैं कि हमारी टैगलाइन है द गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर विद एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी स्टोरी। यानी जो औरतें आज भी अपने इकोसिस्टम में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है लेकिन दुनिया को नहीं पता है, उन्हें हम यहाँ सेलिब्रेट करना चाह रहे हैं। तो मैं चाहूँगी अगर आप हमें सुन रहे हैं और आपने अभी तक अप्लाई नहीं किया है तो नेक्स्ट ईयर डेफिनेटली अप्लाई करिए, ईयर 2027 में रंगोली पावर वुमेन समिट एंड अवार्ड्स में। थैंक यू।
Hi, I am Milind Sarvate, CEO of NutriCharge, and delighted to be here at the Unimo Women Awards today. तो जब नेहा जी से पहली बार मिले और पता पड़ा इस कम्युनिटी के बारे में कि पिछले 13 वर्षों से यूनिवर्स ऑफ मॉम्स को जिस कॉन्सेप्ट से उन्होंने शुरू किया और जिस तरह से पूरी यूनिमो की टीम चला रही है, तो सबसे पहले जो एक फीलिंग आई वो थी रिस्पेक्ट और ग्रैटिट्यूड कि इतना शानदार काम मदर्स के लिए कोई कर रहा है और इतनी बड़ी कम्युनिटी बनाना जिसको अगर फेसबुक की सीईओ शेरिल सैंडबर्ग ये कहती है कि भाई ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कम्युनिटी है मदर्स की, तो इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट और सेल्फलेसली काम हो रहा है। ये देख के जैसा मैंने कहा रिस्पेक्ट और ग्रैटिट्यूड दोनों आया एकदम, इसलिए जुड़ना बहुत आसान था। So Rangoli Women Awards, which Unimo conducts, is a fantastic opportunity for mothers who are doing so much in their lives to get recognized, and it has been happening now for I think 5 years if I am not mistaken. Oh, this is the 12th year? So 12th year, and the kind of efforts which has been put by the Unimo team to recognize these mothers who each one of them has not only a story to tell but a life very uniquely lived. So hats off to Unimo and these mothers. Of course, winners would always be few, but in my eyes I think every mother who has contributed and whose life story is such that it definitely gives encouragement to other women is a winner in herself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Manisha Bhandari Mishra and I am the Senior Vice President at NutriCharge. I am also a health educator and an author.
So, ma'am, how is your experience being with our community?
Well,
What do you have to say about it?
this is one of its kind community and I'm glad that someone thought about giving visibility to the most celebrated title in India, that is mother, and the most uncelebrated, non-celebrated title, that is a mother. So I'm so happy that there is a platform like this, and नहीं जुड़ने का तो कोई क्वेश्चन था ही नहीं दिमाग में। जैसे ही पता चला फर्स्ट दिमाग में यही आया कि यहाँ पर तो जुड़ना ही है। आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू नेहा फॉर डूइंग दिस।
What are your views on these awards, the Rangoli Awards?
So the awards, I'm so glad that someone is making us visible, making our stories visible. And that is why these awards are so celebrated, and I'm so glad that there's an award for this. Usually we have been hearing about Mrs. Universe awards and only these awards, but doing something so meaningful that we're impacting the grassroots of the society. If these women are celebrated for what they are giving to the society, that is what the Rangoli Power Women Summit Awards are for, and I'm so happy that I have been asked to be a jury for these awards this year.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, your name. You can introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Asmita Himare, and definitely the place where you're standing, this is my baby, which is Athena Banquets, and this is 11-year-old property. And this is definitely a place to be. Everybody witness this and see what exactly it looks like. One side is the panoramic view with unchallenged lake view, and the other side is the hill view. So this is how it's beautiful. यूनिमो रंगोली के बारे में ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट अवार्ड है, बहुत सालों से चलते आ रहा है और हर बार यूनिमो ने हर एक 5 स्टार और बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टीज़ पे किया था उन्होंने। इस बार उन्होंने ये बैंक्वेट चूज़ किया है और इस जगह पे इसलिए क्योंकि आई फील यहाँ जो लोग हैं बॉम्बे में वो बहुत अलग विज़न है उनका, औरतों को लेके साथ में चलते हैं, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो आजकल बहुत कम है। लोग किसी को अच्छा ऊपर बढ़ता हुआ देख नहीं पाते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट ये अवार्ड के ज़रिए लोग साथ में आते हैं और इसी बहाने लोग एक दूसरे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। दैट्स इट। इनके साथ इसलिए क्योंकि इनका विजन बहुत क्लीन है। हर एक चीज़ जिन्होंने सच में लाइफ में कुछ किया है उन्हीं को ही अवार्ड दिया जाता है। ज्यूरी है जो देखता है, समझता है, ना कि ये इसकी पहचान वाला है या इसकी पहचान वाला है। बस यही एक तरीका है, क्लीन, सिंपल और अच्छी लाइफ। दैट्स इट। Thank you so much, thank you.
Cameron Algie, Sydney, Australia, all the way over here, representing New Skin.
So what was the thought behind joining hands with Unimo?
I love the concept. I love the fact that Unimum's narrative is to empower women. I come from a strong line of women. I have 2 daughters, a mother, and actually 2 ex-wives. So I have a lot of women in my life. But I certainly embrace the narrative of empowering women because, let's be honest, they're the backbone of every family.
Thank you, sir. And what do you think about this Rangoli Awards?
I think it's fantastic. I think it's fantastic that we're celebrating women and their achievements. And I think should be more and more of these awards, definitely.
Thank you so much. And can you give one line about Unimo? What do you, when you listen to this word, Unimo?
Unimum empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Karan. I'm one of the founder and director of brand Nutriog. Nutriog last 8 years से रंगोली के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. The reason for this is this event is all about health and wellness and when it comes to beauty and health. Nutriog brand last 15 years से हम लोग अपनी health and wellness के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. When it comes to women health, internal health is more important than the outer beauty, and that's what the Nutriog is delivering from last 15 years. We have come up with one of the product we have launched recently, which is a combination of sea buckthorn, amla and aloe vera, which is 100% good for immunity, detoxification and enhancing the beauty itself. So I'll say that it's my pleasure to be here in this event, launching a product through this event also, and introducing this new product to all the women around the country. I'll always a pleasure to be here in this event. Maybe the same way we will participate in the next event also. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreya Gautam. I'm a content creator, community builder, and I'm also a mother of 2 daughters. I'm here at Unimo Rangoli Awards. Unimo के साथ मेरा relation काफ़ी साल से रहा है. I think 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए when I've been associated with them, and I've seen them do some fabulous work. They've created a safe space for women where there's no judgment, there is only encouragement and uplifting them, and that is something great which you don't get to see that often in today's day and age. Unimo Rangoli Awards is, I've been one of the awardees last year, so I can proudly say that, it's a fantastic platform that they've given women to encourage them. And in times like these where we are talking about women empowerment, I think they are doing it and showing it and leading by example. So I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to be here today and be associated with Unimo Rangoli. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Anuja Zaveri, Unimo Universe of Moms Rangoli Award winner.
Ma'am, आपकी कहानी क्या है?
So I have a very long story which is short. I have won Mrs. India Universe Globe. I have won quite a few titles, and I'm a makeup artist, fashion stylist. I've been a jewelry designer, and I'm a lehenga designer. I started my own brand, Urban Diva, and all this was, in different 5 years of my journey. And finally, being Mrs. Universe, now I'm a social worker also. I promote women empowerment, and I'm doing a lot of social causes for my Gujarati Jain community, Marwadi community, and of course schools, colleges, trying to inspire them. I'm a fashion model and I've walked quite a few ramps like Bombay Times Fashion Week, Midday, and a lot of stuff.
What are your thoughts about Unimo? What do you think about the community?
Oh my God, I'm in love with this community because I would like to appreciate firstly Neha, that in today's time of women empowering other women, they say that empowerment is already there, but I think in today's time women try to pull other women down. And when I see Neha and when she's applauding and appreciating other women by awarding them in front of you know, the whole world, I think that's the biggest empowerment. So I feel that's a really great job, and by getting this award, I also feel that it does not only infuse confidence into the women, it also, you know, makes them believe that what they are doing, they are on the right track, and that's what I feel.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
My name is Delna Smithani. I am the Rangoli Award winner for creating impact through give and take. By qualification, I am a chartered accountant and a mind power coach.
What is your journey, ma'am?
So I have had a corporate experience of 20 years in the sector till lockdown happened, where I suddenly realized the main factor affecting most people is stress. And mind controls the stress. That's the right way to handle and stay healthy. And the first person affected by stress is a young mind, a child in school who's burdened with books. So I learned mind power coaching, and fortunately, from a corporate world, a switch to the sector where of education was very easy. I currently handle almost 3 schools where I do mind power coaching for underprivileged children through Rotary and Lions Club, where I teach kids goal settings, meditations, visualizations, the power of the human mind, maybe help them identify their inner genie, grow, and then face all hassles and problems that come in the way with absolute power. So my aim here is, we know that education is important, we know that our kids are studying in good schools, but I basically want to bring up resilient humans who, when they step out into this world, have an inner confidence that no matter what happens, no matter what roadblocks come, no matter a speed breaker, I will move over it, achieve my goals. That's why I tell them, put your hand on your heart and say, मैं तो अपनी favorite हूँ, I'll achieve whatever I want. Thank you.
Ma'am, one line on Unimo. What is
So I've been associated with Unimo for almost 15 years now, since the start. But then in the middle, a lot of personal issues at home and health issues, I stopped. I feel it's a platform which is helping us women, one, to come back if we have stopped working. It empowers all of us and gives us a hope that no matter where we are, what we do, there's always a chance to come back, grow, stand up on your own feet, and there is somebody else there to help you and hold your hand and take you forward. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Avni Gandhi, and I'm so honored to be here to receive this award by Unimo Rangoli Awards for 2026.
आपकी कहानी?
तो मेरी कहानी, actually I think every woman will associate with my story. I'm a transformation coach, and currently I'm also doing gut and health with women from various walks of life. और हर घर में I think there are winners in every house. So I represent this award for women from all walks of life, and thank you so much Unimo for having me here. And I must say, whether you're a housewife, चाहे आप काम कर रहे हो, चाहे आप नहीं कर रहे हो, each and every woman who's here deserves this award.
Thank you.
Thank you
And
so
what
much.
is your view about Unimo?
I have been very recently associated with Unimo, and the energy, the fire, the spunk, the beauty of all of it is to celebrate womanhood. I feel seen, और मैं यही चाहूँगी that each and every woman around us, हम उसको celebrate करें, देखें, और साथ ही साथ आगे बढ़े और बढ़ाए.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Unimo. Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, so I am anchor Varsha Srivastav, and I have received the award for anchoring from Unimo. The best part, is last year I hosted the Rangoli Awards, and this time I am winning this award for anchoring.
Amazing. मेरी कहानी, आपकी कहानी.
मेरी कहानी शॉर्ट में बताती हूँ. मेरी कहानी 11 साल पहले एंकरिंग से शुरुआत हुई थी. उसके साथ साथ मैं टीचिंग करती थी DPS दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल में. एंकरिंग साइमल्टेनियसली चलती थी, और मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट आता था लोगों से कनेक्ट करने में, डिफरेंट कल्चर से. देन आई हैड टू डिसाइड बिटवीन टीचिंग एंड एंकरिंग, सो आई चोज एंकरिंग, एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई यंग सेल्फ दैट आई डिड दैट. एंड हर एक इवेंट में बहुत प्राउड फील होता है, और आज ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है मुझे, तो आई एम फीलिंग इवन मोर हैप्पी एंड रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ.
One line on Unimo.
Unimo is a family, really. Like, they will be there with you through thick and thin. They are there to support you, they are there to motivate you. And even if you are feeling down, you are feeling low, Unimo is there to make you feel confident on yourself. So that is what Unimo means to me.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rekha Sachdev. I'm a clinical and a fertility nutritionist. I have done my MSc and PhD in nutritionist. And I'm from Pune, and I have traveled from Pune to Mumbai to attend this Unimo Awards.
So, आप अपनी कहानी बताइए.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. This line itself tells my journey. I never expected this, or never anyone from my family, friend circle expected this, where I have reached today. I work especially with women who cannot conceive. A woman is basically a soul of a home, which makes the family healthy and can help the family to grow well, not only the kids. So I work with them, and I want each and every woman to grow, either a housewife or a working woman. But if they feel that they connect with me, that's the best part.
One line on Unimo.
So I'm with Unimo since 12 years, since from its inception, from its start, and I have grown with Unimo. In these 12 years, I have seen Unimo going from 2 lakh to 3 lakh and now 7 lakh women. And I learned a lot from women in Unimo, because I believe that learning from another woman makes you grow better. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Devika.
Hi.
And what do you feel about Unimo and Rangoli Awards?
Hi, this is Devika Rajgor. I am a trained classical dancer, done my masters. I feel so delighted to be out here. Unimo and Neha ma'am, everybody is like so encouraging and supportive, and I always feel great about the amazing work they have been doing for women. And being a dancer, I feel dance is the best way to connect, communicate, and create awareness about our cultural values. And Unimo is like a great platform where your voice can be heard. So if you have a great idea, great concept, please connect with them, because they are there to listen to you. So I wish all the very best to the team, and may you keep growing and keep exploring. And I'm looking forward to more events working with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm Aarti Joshi and I'm an interior designer. My journey is a little different. Why? Because I started my career after 17 years of my education. I finished my all social and my family responsibilities, and then I started my career. I always like to empower women who are planning to work and who are really keen that they want to build their career. And I always try to help them. I have majorly a female team members, and I always be little flexible for their timings, their working hours and their leaves and all this, because I know how challenging it is to work as a woman and a mom, and there are a lot of responsibilities towards family. So yeah, I always feel that women should work and keep on stretching their limits, and success is always on the way. Thank you. And what I feel about Unimo is a very good platform, and I feel it's a great way to encourage each other and each woman who are just trying to work. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. I'm truly honored and grateful to receive this award to recognize by Unimo 2026 Power Woman Awards. And I strongly believe that idea of give to gain. And this award is not just for me. This is a who support Dr. Komal Wellness believed, and this is a more than 2 decades journey. And really thanks to my mother-in-law. She always support me and always say, you should go there, you should go there. I have busy in my life in my center, but she always she always tell me कि अब जाओ करके ऐसा, and she is with me. She can come, and that I really thank you so much. I have a wellness center in Goregaon East, and there's only for ladies. There is more than 2 decades I run the ladies yoga center, then Panchakarma and Nadi Parikshan for special for ladies. And there is thank you so much Unimo. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hi, this is Beenal Shah and I've been working, yeah. Hi, I'm Beenal Shah and I've been working in the space of child development, learning and the behavior modification for last 22 years. This is amazing to be here today, and Unimo has been doing great work in spreading awareness to parents, to community of mothers and so many more. So this is really special because the work has been recognized, and I'm sure the work we give, the work we do for children, for families to ensure that children can show the best of their potential will be out. And I truly believe that every childhood makes a story for an adulthood, and we are here to create the best of them to ensure that they come out with flying colors with the best of the mental health, their wellness, and they create magic in the world ahead. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, done? Thank you.
I'm Audalakshmi Satish Kumaran, honored and grateful to be recognized as Unimo Power Women Summit 2026. Actually, my name speaks it all, Audalakshmi Satish Kumaran. I'm here all because of my husband Satish Kumaran. Really, I'm thankful for that, to support scares and everything. And I am actually through classical art and wellness bring transformation to the world. I'm a Natya yoga trainer, kids yoga trainer, prenatal and postnatal yoga trainer, and also the classical dancer. So through that, in the fast-paced world, people don't know how to get peaceful and happiness in this world. So with that personal training and other things, the classical art, how to become, and as per their body requirements, I help them for this women empowerment and the child. And also I'm taking free yoga for the senior citizens. I'm instead of the scaling up of business, building relationships is more important for me. And I have to thank once again for this Unimo. They are doing a wonderful thing, and that's a wonderful, great opportunity for the mom. It's being a mom itself is a special, but they are showing to the world of the wonderful mom. So I'm really, really thankful for this opportunity to get this award and to be known to this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My name is Elsie Gabriel, and March has been a wonderful month of celebration of women and girls and women all over the world, and none better than moms. And I'm so grateful to be a mom, and I dedicate this award to Tanya and Ridge. Absolutely brilliant in bringing out the challenging times and the winning times to be a mom. Of course, I am the International Director for Handicap Scuba Association, as well as the founder of Young Environmentalist Program Trust and Ocean School India. It's been my privilege to work with so much of youth around the world, and of course mentoring them is one of the features that we mothers as a professional are very good at. So I believe that women can be excellent mentors. Two people, I also mentor Sustainable Ocean Alliance, SOAs, as well as Climate Reality Project India, Asia. And I would like to say today that everyone knows about EQ, SQ, EQ, intelligent quotient, and your emotional quotient and social quotient. But what I'd like to give a message, serious message today is RQ, resilience quotient. I want mothers and women all over the world to grow up knowing there is something called resilient quotient, and know it, believe in it, develop it, and be strong and cultivate your resilient quotient, and you can win the world. I dedicate all this to the disabled community that I work for, where the HSA takes them scuba diving. And I believe that invisible disability as well as visible disability can be recognized by mothers. So this award is for all those people whose disabilities cannot be seen. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Preeti Chawla, and I work in the field of mental well-being. I'm a counseling psychologist and I have been there for more than a decade in the practice. I work with childhood trauma, anxiety, depression, personality disorders. I firmly believe that mental health is the foundation of any personality. It is your emotions who drive you to your highest potential, and mental well-being and mental health should not be stigmatized. Break the silence, break the stigma. Unimo is a wonderful platform, it's a wonderful community, and I'm very grateful for Unimo to give me this recognition. It helps me keep motivated to continue doing this work. And thank you, Unimo. That's it. Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Manjula Virshid, and I'm only very grateful to have received the award of the Power Women Summit 2026. Thank you to the entire team of Universe of Moms and the jury members. It's one thing that I would like to just share with everybody is empowered women empower women. So this is the Universe of Moms who have always have been associated, I think, for the last 10 years, 10 to 12 years that I've been in Mumbai, and what a revolution Universe of Moms can create. So thank you very much for believing and seeing my journey, and this has been inspiring, and that is only true because I've always seen people, women, who have inspired. So thank you to everybody once again.
Hi all, my name is Dr. Kumud Upadhyay, and first of all I would like to, my name is Kumud Upadhyay, and I would like to thank you, the Unimo community, for strengthening moms and bringing them together on one platform. So I do have 2 daughters, and I'm thankful to them as well for getting me the strength to come over here and get this awards. Obviously I'm working with financial industry, and I do believe that every woman should be financially free, and they should be resilient and work towards achieving their financial freedom. Thank you so much, and thank you Unimo once again. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Hetal Parekh. I work at Dr. L.H. Hiranandani Hospital as an infertility specialist. I am deeply honored and really grateful for this Unimoms award. This award is not just for me. It is for the journey of a lot of patients and lot of couples who have entrusted their journey of fertility with me. As we know, infertility is not just a medical disorder. It is also a journey full of uncertainty, hope, courage, resilience. Every woman I have met, every patient I have met has taught me a lot of resilience and never give up attitude. And this award does not only belong to me, it belongs to all these women who have been there in this journey. Now, with a lot of modern innovations, infertility has got really good outcomes. But here, we as infertility specialists should look beyond science. We have to treat patients with lot of empathy, ethics, and lots of care. And we should be there with the patients in their journey to achieving parenthood. This award will give me a lot of boost to continue this work with a lot of faith, lot of patience, and to give good results to my patient. Thank you so much. Thank you.
और मेरी कहानी है स्ट्रगल, पैशन एंड डेडिकेशन की. मैं डॉक्टर कल्पना एसआर फ्रॉम वास्तु प्रगति.
Hi, I'm Kainaz Jasawala, an author, podcaster, and a lover. Unimo के बारे में क्या कह सकती हूँ, which is not already said. It's not only a wonderful community for women to come together, but there's so much support, there's so much of encouragement for women, for people to really look forward to events, to look forward to some kind of support from other women. And I think that's just the need of the hour. I think this Unimo Rangoli is something that is totally capturing. I just walked in and I'm like, wow, look at their faces, look at the people, look at the women, not only dressed really well, but powerful women who are ready to empower each other. So I think that's just a fabulous, fabulous event, a fabulous initiative, and I think Unimo Rangoli rocks. Thanks, Neha.
Hi, I'm Anjali Kirpalani. I'm an author, screenwriter, and podcaster. We run Main Character Energy. So yes, I think this event is absolutely wonderful. As Kainaz, my fellow podcaster, was saying, I think it's amazing to have a community of women that are supporting each other, and it's a great initiative by Neha because I think the world is waking up to the power of women today, and I just want to see where this community grows because I think if this is the start, it's just going to get better and better. So yes, here's to strong women supporting each other. May we be them, may we raise them, may we keep being there for each other because together there's nothing that we can't achieve.
Hi, I am Kripa Subramanian. I am based out of Mumbai and I am into service and been into HR for almost 15 years now. And I love meeting new people, especially women entrepreneurs and women who have been successful in their life. Unimo, I am really excited to be a part of this community. I know there are a lot of people out there, who are very successful, who are already empowered. I think through this platform, it multiplies those entrepreneurs as well as women professionals. And very grateful to be a part of this community. And Neha, lots of hugs and kisses to you.
Good afternoon. My name is Meenal Punjabi, and I'm one of the winners for Unimo Awards. I'm really grateful for this and for Neha and the team. So I have spent 25 years of mine in corporate, textiles, fashion, and now I'm the Sustainability Skin Awards. Being a mother and working towards goals which kind of you believe in is very tough, but the important thing is you need to go on. And for women, the main journey is that it has to be empowered and success and even supported by other women. Thank you.
I am Dr. Sapna Shah Mota, founder of Healthwise Homeopathy. Here at Healthwise Homeopathy, we deliver gentle, holistic, individualistic and permanent cure to all our patients. Our mainstream focus is on kids and women health. I am really grateful to Unimo, Universe of Moms community, and Neha Kanabar for giving me this recognition. Unimo is working hard towards women and women helping each other. Highly grateful for this award. This award is not just a milestone for my journey, but it gives me more responsibility, more commitment towards striving harder to deliver greater, gentler care to my patients. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ डायना फर्नांडिस और मैं एक पीआर कंपनी की फाउंडर और ग्रुप सीईओ हूँ और मेरी कंपनी का नाम है ब्लूमिंगडेल पब्लिक रिलेशंस. यूनिमो के बारे में आई डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट. मैं इनफैक्ट इन दिस पीआर जर्नी मैं आई बीन डूइंग दिस वर्क फॉर 22 इयर्स नाउ एंड मैंने देखा है पूरा ट्रांजिशन जहाँ पे पहले क्लाइंट्स न्यूज़पेपर्स मैगजीन्स में कवरेजेस मांगते थे, रेडियो टीवी, पर अभी वो पूरा शिफ्ट हो चुका है जहाँ पे they want more influencers and more communities. And when I say communities, it's people like Neha who's building something like Unimo. And when they do what they do, they inspire so many people. मुझे याद है I was messaging Neha some time back saying that Neha, you've lost so much weight. And then she told me that Diana, you've also lost so much weight. तब मैंने उसको कहा देखो I lose so much weight, people around me will be like okay great. But when you lose weight, you inspire thousands of other women to lose weight because then they're seeing you do that, they're seeing you balance your work and your health and prioritize your health, and that's the impact of what you do. So that in a nutshell is what Unimo is for me. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Advocate Sujata Lundhe Tupe. I am a matrimonial advocate by profession and I am practicing in Family Court, Bandra. So I basically deal primarily dealing with the cases like divorce, maintenance, custody, domestic violence and 498A. पैंडमिक के बाद से या पैंडमिक से मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि बहुत सारे लेडीज़ जो है उनको मैट्रिमोनियल इश्यूज़ हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारा डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस बढ़ रहा है, तो उसके बाद मैंने फ्री कंसल्टेशंस देना चालू किया. आज के दिन में रोज़ डेली फॉर 2 hours, 1 lady 30 minutes each. So I am giving free consultations to the women who are looking for the help in their matrimonial issues. So अगर आप या आप में से कोई भी किसी को भी इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, लीगल इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो आप मुझे रीच आउट कर सकते हो. थैंक यू सो मच टू यूनिमो. आई एम विनिंग दिस अवार्ड 3 times in a row for giving free consultations and spreading a legal awareness in the society and making the change in the society. So I'm very, very grateful for the Rangoli Awards. I'm grateful to Neha. Thank you so much, Neha, Bhavi, Drishti, who are there to help anytime. Thank you so much, Rangoli Awards, for this award, and I'll be very grateful for the whole life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dipti Das Kirtikar. I run Child-Centric Kids Salon. It's a chemical-free salon, tiny and shiny, located in Seawoods as well as in Powai. I'm really happy to receive this award, which is, really recognition of all the hard work we have been doing. I really thanks everyone for nominating me. Tiny and Shiny, just to talk about, why we have got this award. We are the only kids salon in Pan India catering to children, and it's a chemical free, as I said. So it's important to get recognition to such initiative, and I'm truly glad and touched by the whole thing. Thank you.
Hi, first of all, I'd really like to congratulate everyone here at Unimo. Not only is it a really nice community of women, of people, but this event in specific has been organized seamlessly. Everyone has just made you feel so comfortable, and that just ensures that you're so ready to take in all the great stories, the inspiration, and you just go back feeling so energized. And of course, like I said when I was on the panel, that per se these events just make you realize how much women accomplish and how much women are really there to pat each other on the back and say, go girl, get it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shreya Prakash, co-founder and CEO of FlexiBees, and I love the Unimo network. Like I said, inside Unimo is a revolution because it gives women the space to come, talk, learn, grow. A very crucial ecosystem for women. And Rangoli, I mean, this is a place with so much energy, so much dynamism. Everybody here has come to celebrate other women. That's the one word that comes to mind when I think of Rangoli today. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shilpa Kataria Singh. I'm a luxury lifestyle influencer, and I'm so happy to be here, part of this amazing Rangoli function for my dearest friend Neha. पिछले साल भी मैं यहाँ पर आई थी, तभी 11-11 का कॉन्सेप्ट था, बहुत बढ़िया था. बट इस साल आई थिंक नेहा हैज़ पुल्ड ऑल स्टॉप्स एंड आउटडन हरसेल्फ. आई एम फीलिंग दैट एनर्जी, दैट वाइब इन द एयर. और मुझे यहाँ पर पता चल रहा है आने के बाद कि एम्पावरमेंट क्या होता है, असली बिलोंगिंग क्या होती है, कम्युनिटी क्या होती है. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट नेहा हैज़ प्रूव्ड थ्रू हर कम्युनिटी ऑफ 7 lakh moms and growing. More power to you, Neha. More power to you, Unimo.
I've been associated with Unimo ever since I entered the world of influencing, and I don't think any other community influences like they do, and nobody leads like Neha does. And of course, Rangoli is just another parameter of their extended wings and how they bring a community of women together and contribute to the success, the pride of women all over the country and help everyone grow with them. So thank you so much, Unimo, for always taking this initiative and making me an essential part. Thank you so much.
Hello, Unimo.
My name is Ekta Gretia and I am a professional career counselor and a child psychologist. I really feel so humble and blessed to receive this award. This is my second time winner and I feel that this award is fabulous. Neha, keep it up. You are doing a fabulous job for bringing all the women together and awarding. This award gives the recognition not only to work more harder, but it gives the immense pleasure. And being a counselor, I elaborate the journey of my students. I'm always there with my students. Thank you so much. Thank you, Unimo.
Hi, so very honored to be here again, part of Unimo's Power Women Awards, जो आज हो रहे हैं, Rangoli Awards. And last year also I was here. It's the world's largest community for mothers. And अब तो 7 लाख moms इसका हिस्सा बन चुकी हैं. So I think it's a very proud moment for even Neha and the entire team. Unidad, Universe of Dads का co-founder भी मैं हूँ. So the sister company for Unimo. We have been associated for a very long time now. And it's always nice to come back to seeing how they celebrate women and always there to support it. So बड़ी खुशी होती है कि हम भी इसका part रहते हैं. And there are different topics today. We are talking about a lot of other things on the panel. I'm looking forward to it. And wishing all the best to Unimo and the entire team. And God bless them all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
कहाँ इधर?
ऐसे मूव करवाओ ना, फिर इकट्ठा इधर 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 नहीं.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. It's an absolute honor, pride and privilege to be here in Unimo. And I think I really congratulate Neha, the founder of this wonderful platform Unimo, which celebrates women. I think we need more such platform and I'm so proud to be here. We all women are chasing our dreams out of our homes, out of our kitchens, out of our drawing rooms to make a mark in each of the different corporate world that we represent and are trying to lead and prove ourselves that we are equally competent and maybe more. And I think I really appreciate such platforms being created where women who have gone beyond their kitchens, beyond being a mother, beyond their drawing rooms to come out to different fields in the world, in different categories, different segments, and are making waves, fulfilling their dreams and being leaders in various platforms. And I think I really appreciate this wonderful platform of Unimom that has been created by Neha and her all collaborators. Hearty congratulations. I think we all women need to celebrate each other, empower each other, enable each other. And I think this platform is an icon, a representation of that we encourage, celebrate and enable each other to do much more than what we can. Thank you so much for having me here.
You have been chosen as a power woman. What does the power woman mean to you and how important is it to be chosen as a power woman?
Well, it is very important because I think, as I said, it is a recognition. Many of us chasing our dreams and reaching various heights in each of our different segments of work, the work that we are doing. But I think this platform, this icon that you have bestowed on me is a recognition of what I have achieved, what I have delivered, and I think it means lots and lots to me to keep doing the good work and continue and maybe do much more.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being on this platform.
Thank you so much.
I'm so excited to actually learn about Unimo. I didn't know about it until a few months ago. But being a new mom, I have 2 very young kids. I'm so excited and fascinated by what has been created with bringing so many moms together and really building that community that we all can use and share. And it's been great to hear all the stories and see what a wide network it is across so many cities and countries are here. So really excited to be part of it and can't wait to learn from people and help wherever I can. This event has been amazing. It was so great to see so many people from different fields and so many moms, so many women really come together and see the achievements that everyone has. There was so much energy in the room and really enjoyed being here. Thank you so much and can't wait to be part of this network and be there for more events. Thank you so much.
Bolo, start. Yeah, hi, this is Rahul Jaktiani. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a podcaster, I've been a travel show host and a journalist as well. And great to be here, and it's such an honor to be here at this event and be invited to share my views. Unimo, I didn't know much about it earlier, but I think what a fantastic platform created by Neha. And I think a platform like this is required today. Moms often are the silent warriors. They don't get the credit often. And really nice to see one of the largest networks of moms, really aiding a lot of mothers get their due, get their recognition, and telling them to also perhaps take a break once in a while, things will all work out. So really nice to see platforms like this, and I wish Unimo all the very best and look forward to a fantastic event today. Thank you.
There are always some pleasant memories, but there are some memories that stay in your mind forever. Walking into this event by Unimo, by my very dear friend Neha, has been just amazing. I cannot even express what it means to be here with a room full of women who are being themselves, all thanks to this community. Really humbled to be one awarded, and second, delighted to be here. Unimo, more power to you, and Neha, lots of love, always. Thank you.
Okay. Shall I start? Unimo is a community where, it's a community where it is created by Neha, so it's awesome. I think they are not taking it.
Yeah, hi. I'm Dr. Sanjana, the Director of Ophthalmology at Hiranandani Hospital, Powai, Mumbai. And I've been associated with this hospital for almost 20 plus years. And it was a pleasure treating the Powai community here. And this is the first time for me at Unimo. And I'm so happy and I'm so glad seeing so many empowered women and such a huge organization. I feel really good coming here and to be a part of this afternoon today. Thank you.
I'm Kavita Kishore, the founder of KJM Dreams Entertainment and Adya the Lady Boss, which is a women networking group, and also own a sari brand. And today I have been recognized and awarded for my achievements, and I really thank Unimo for this recognition, and Neha Kanabar, the founder of Unimo, for celebrating all the fellow women. And really it's a great honor and privilege to be part of this world's largest community of moms, that is Unimo. And thank you Neha once again, and thank you Unimo, and it's always been a privilege to be here. Thank you.
So today was a very special day as Unimo had organized this amazing event where they felicitated amazing 12 power women. And being a part of Unimo, I feel so great that they are doing such amazing work. Such amazing women out there, felicitating them, they're encouraging them to do more. And I feel this is what should be done. And kudos to Neha and the whole team of Unimo to bring together such amazing women from different fields of life, different walks of life, and to give them such appreciation for what work they are doing. And no doubt I feel great to be a part of it. Being one of the youngest in the room today, I felt so impactful that
These women are very inspiring, and I wish great success to all of them. Everybody present here, to the whole of UNIMO team and Neha. Love you a lot. Take care. Thank you.